Tasty and crispy samosa. I 1/2 cup maida. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ajwain. Give a mix. Add 1/2 cup meat. Mix it well. Gradually 1/2 cup of lukewarm water. Make dough. Rest it for 15 minutes. 3 boiled potatoes. 1 teaspoon of dhania, salt, and chaat masala, few curry leaves. To green chilies. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add some oil. Add all the masalas. Add green chilies. Add curry leaves. Give a mix. Add turmeric powder. Add roughly mashed potatoes. Mix it well. Add red chili powder. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Make equal-sized dough balls. Roll the dough balls. Cut into 2 equal pieces. Apply some water to one side. Fold from 2 corners. Press it properly. Add potato filling. Apply water to the corners. Fold and press it properly. It's time for fry. Oil is ready for frying. this on low flame. Flip the same musses on the other side. Samosa are done when they are golden brown in color. Tasty and crispy samosas are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.